So in today's video, I have a couple clips for show in this one video. The first thing is Shenseea's bathroom loving. The next thing is Bob Marley's son Juju, yeah, I don't know him as Julian Marley, is giving back in the midst of his crisis. Then we are going to take a look at the reason why this brother you feel like Vybz Kartel is the greatest of all times.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. No, unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back my viewers. As me always tell you already, if this is your first time to this channel and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell, so once we upload a video, you will get that alert. So people, as me say, we have a video for sure now of Shenseea doing some bathroom loving. See it? And we have a couple other clips to cover. But more for giving a little bit of inspiration first before we get to them there. Triple X have something more to say. Let's check that out.
Nothing wrong with multitasking. Nothing wrong with having a whole heap of things by your plate at once. But nobody name till your belly bust or till it's sick you. Don't be greedy, don't be gluttonous, don't flex like you want to take on everything by yourself. Sometimes we set some cross thread where responsibilities and jump in other people's responsibility and pull on for them stress and for them problem by ourselves. When we not stick it out in our own and focus on our own dreams, our own future, and ensure that we pave a path for ourselves to success. Stop taking on other people's responsibility. Stay in your own lane. Focus on your drive. Focus on your destiny. Focus on what you need to do best to suit yourself. After you reach where you want to reach, yeah, you have a better suited to help people. If you can give somebody a helping hand, yes, but nobody take on for them problems as your own. Stay in your own lane.
So Triple X has spoken. Touch me down in the comment section. Let me know if you not agree with Triple X. Because what it sound like the man I say make a whole lot of sense. Seeing? Now let's move into Shenseea. So Shenseea has shown us over the years that she has been in the business that she have some talent. You know what I say? Some people say Shenseea can't sing and scream, she scream, while others say, yo, Shenseea voice sound good. My opinion, in the clip I'm going to show you is that Shenseea actually sound good in another one here. To me, you might have a different belief, but listen to it and then tell me down below if you think Shenseea sound good. See? Let's get to that.
Bathroom Chronicles. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Somebody real is hard to find. Someone who's worth all your time. Somebody who can tell you the truth. Someone who loves you for you. Someone who knows all of your flaws and doesn't impose, trying to control them. Lets you be free, doesn't deceive. They give you a chance to believe in something. Oh, is that too much? 'Cause I've been on the search and I'm losing my hope. Is that too much? Is that too much? Trying to find love in the world so cold. Oh, is that too much? I just need an answer. I can be the only one. Is that too much? You gotta be perfect. Just give me your purpose and love. I just need somebody who'll be like everybody, body, and treat me like somebody. All you gotta do is love me for me, baby. I just want somebody, treat me like somebody. Oh, be like everybody. No, no, all you gotta do is love me for me, baby. Whoa.
Well, alright, did you already comment? Talk to me more to hear what you think. Did Shenseea sound good or that just not make it for you? More to hear from you in the comment section. After all, as me said, to me it sound good, but I may just be wrong. Alright, now let's take a look at the clip of Juju. Alright, Julian Marley giving back to the poor and needy. Now, Julian Marley just recently uploaded a video a couple weeks ago, correction, that he had lost his daughter to cancer. Now, in the midst of his mourning, Juju is still out there giving back to the people in need.
Wait, you have to share it.
No, but here, in them 5, you guys can share it, right? Here, 5 plates. Alright, so everybody get a,
One fork in it.
here, next 5. Alright.
5 more minutes now.
Give them water. Come grab some water.
We got some water over here for y'all, man.
Yeah, he got 5 plates.
Do you have a hoodie or a sweater?
You have any more hoodies?
Yeah.
Right, boy. Hoodie for the beard right
You know what? Yesterday was the 7th, which is today's afternoon. Today is my Christmas. Yesterday was my Christmas, which is Ethiopian Christmas, which is, they say that's the real time that Christ was born. So it's not 25th, is like a Roman paganism. So yesterday is the 7th, so this is when I decided to come out and do some shit, do anything. Because no one's giving nothing today, so we gotta do something today. You know what I'm saying?
Wendy, wanna make her a quick plate? She says she's hungry. Do you want a drumstick or you want some wings? All right, maybe she can give you a plate. Let's see what she gives.
No. Yeah, no, it's about giving, giving. First time I've been out on the streets like this to come and visit the people that really need, so. January 7th, sorry I'm munching some bread, because everybody eating, so I have to eat, it's festivity time. See? And we're not looking at this thing on the negative thing, it's food. Celebration.
Bless
Thank
you.
you. Yes.
Need water?
Bring one more, Russ. One more water.
Thank you, and the food is delicious.
Yeah. All right.
No more say me like that. Even though the man a go through for him own crisis, him still a make sure say people out there a get what them forget. And yeah, he might not celebrate the traditional Christmas on the 25th, but the man say for him Christmas, him come out and him a give some food back to the people. So Jojo, big up yourself. People comment in the comment section and big up Julian Marley for what him do right there. You understand? Now let's check out that brother here who a talk about Vybz Kartel. Him a give some reasons as to why him feel like Vybz Kartel is the greatest of all times. Let's check him out.
Somebody were to ask me who is the greatest dancehall artist of all time, right? Subjective opinion. I would have to say Vybz Kartel. He has the undeniable ability to invoke emotion, the culture, the spirit of Jamaica, the intensity, the vibration, the street smart, the book smart, and the nostalgia of Jamaica. He has the ability to paint a vivid picture through the means of his music, which is authentic, raw, and unfiltered. He represents me, he represents you, he represents the uptown, the inner city youth, the doctor, the garbage collector, the lawyer, the cashier. He's a reflection and a mirror of the society. And his ability to craft hits that are timeless, influential, and trendy, which emphasizes his ingenious ability. He's dancehall's even greater. He's Jamaica's encyclopedia, Jamaica's social commentator. He literally has a song for every God Almighty thing. He sings about love, life, family, money, lack thereof, vanity, prosperity, religion. His versatility is unmatched. variety is unmatched. His intelligence, that's unmatched. And his relatability is unmatched. He should be celebrated as a Jamaican treasure. Because Vybz Kartel, the greatest dancehall artist of all time.
Well, there you have it. You have heard the man speak. Alright? Talk to me in the comment section down below and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with what a brother they say. Whether you're a fan of Vybz Kartel or not, I'm quite sure there is at least one song where you hear from Vybz Kartel where you like. Yeah, Vybz Kartel is just that kind of artist. See? So talk to me down below and tell me, what is your favorite song from Vybz Kartel? Or it might not even be a full complete song. What is one line out of one of Vybz Kartel songs that you like? Or the line probably just resonates with you and you like it. Talk to me down below. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe, because once we upload a video, you need to be alerted. Watch on, man. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's unstoppable. My God. So you're still there. That simply means you made it to the end of this video. Now, in the previous video that I asked a question, right? I gave a riddle, right? And the first riddle that I asked, more officer big up to the Royal General. He was the very first one who guessed the answer correctly. Alright, the Royal General, you were the first one to figure it out. So my brethren, big up yourself. Now, people, this is the second question that I'm going to ask, and this one me have to give Sexy Tati the credit for this question, because she is the one who gave it to me. And the question is, what is no longer being made, but it is being sold every day? What is the answer to that question? Don't bother try to Google it. Just be fair and try to answer it. Try to guess it. Try to figure it out honestly. Drop it down below in the comment section. The very first person who gets the answer correctly will be shouted out in the next video upload. Big up yourself, people. Talk to me down below.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.